They're explaining the poster. This thingy-majigga. What do you see? You see a skeleton, right? Now explain.
There's a lady and a guy, and they're holding hands. There's a table and some champagne. There are drinks here. She's wearing a dress. He's wearing a dress. There are chairs. They're at a party. They're wearing clown collars. You see the people in the background, and they're wearing funny hats. But I don't know if that funny hat is somebody behind her or her hat. But it doesn't really matter because it's a hat. And then they're just like at a table drinking some champagne, but they're both wearing dresses for some reason. Yeah, okay. The champagne's in a bucket, just so you know. And you see the cute little boy. They say it's a woman, but I don't think it's a woman. His eyes are upside down. Just say.
And see. Oh, it doesn't stop. Well, that's the young lady. And if you look at it upside down, that's the this is the young lady, and this is the old lady.
Where's the young lady?
Anyone that goes to Whitworth, go to Whitworth.
And this is the talking people.
Go in.